He scared the crap out of me.
Okay. Where'd he go?
Where'd he go? I'm trying to get to the little baby.
Where does your friend go?
I hope he
There he
does.
goes! Look at those eyeballs.
Oh God, my poor car. Your dad's gonna kill me.
What is it, Lucas? What is it? Look at his face.
Oh.
Hey,
There's
buddy.
not anything in front of us now, Tree. Move.
Oh, look at the babies.
I know, I'm trying to feed him, but this big one won't let
Sorry,
me.
you're not getting any more. I gotta save some for the other animals.
I'm sorry.
You're the baby. You're so cute. I can feed you. You keep mommy away from here.
Yeah, if mommy would go, aww.
That is just creepy looking.
What that,
Oh, you got it.
Yes.
I feel like I'm in Jurassic Park or
Okay,
something.
let's go. Come on, I'm getting hot.
Oh, look. Uh-oh, there's that ostrich. You better watch out because he'll come in.
Oh, jeez.
If you want your shoes off, it might be on the middle of your feet a little better.
Okay.
Oh, it's a baby, Lucas.
All right.
Say baby.
See, he was gonna be.
I know.
Say, baby.
Say hi. Lucas, say hi. Teddy said,